think that the market in Portugal, I mean, it evolved dramatically in the last 12 months. I mean, we came from a situation where basically there was no markets, from a situation where, I mean, we have all the eyes turning to Portugal, not only the same usual investors that used to be there before the crisis, but also a lot of new money coming from Asia, from the Middle East and from Latin America, part of that capital that had never invested in Europe before. And I think that the interesting part of that is that, I mean, some of these guys are choosing Portugal as their entry point in Europe because they still think that there is a way to go in the market, and that Portugal is not as overpriced, or it's still quite an affordable market. In terms of supply, there is also a lot to come to the market because as we have just started, and I mean we have had some operations in terms of opportunistic investment, but a lot of the core market has just begun right now. So you will see the end of the year will be quite busy, and you will see a lot of core transactions. But from what we know and from what we have been speaking with the investors or the landlords in Portugal, there's still a lot to come in 2015. So even though the investment volume has tripled or will triple this year, I expect 2015 to be, I mean, to post at least a similar investment volume, and that will also be supported, I expect, from sustainable growth in terms of rental, especially on the retail sector.